Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Vergani Panettone Di Milano. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Vergani Panettone Di Milano, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. There is some nutrition information, and the panettone weighs 100 grams in weight. And taking a look at the underside of the box, there are a list of ingredients in various languages. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by tearing apart and open the base of the box and lifting out the panettone that's inside, and just closing the box back up and setting it to the side, setting it to the right hand side of the table, and giving you a look at the plastic packaged or wrapped Il Panettone di Milano by Vergani. Okay, and giving you a look as it is in its plastic bag. Top down look as well as the underside, and giving you some sense of the size of this Il Panettone di Milano resting in my hand, and of course cupping it as well. And now let's go ahead and open up the plastic bag that's keeping the panettone fresh. And this time around, giving you another look with the plastic packaging removed. And now let's take a closer in look at this Il Panettone di Milano. So giving you a look top down, you can see it does have a consistently yellowish brown top, and we can see those big raisins or sultanas on it. This one being very dark in color, being a almost black, and we can see that the panettone is wrapped with some baking paper as well, of course being baked in it. And on the underside we can see that kind of wafer paper at the bottom, or card. And this time around, once again, another look with it resting in my palm, but of course with the plastic wrapper removed, having 100 grams in weight. It's right there, holding it in my fingers. So giving you a much closer in look this time around. So top down you can see the texture and coloration, and of course the bits of fruit in it at the top. And now let's peel off the baking paper. And you can see just how soft the panettone is. And this time around, giving you a look with the paper removed, and you can see the brighter yellow coloration or coloring, as well as the leavening or the overall fluffiness of the panettone. It's right there giving you a further out look. I'm just going to shift the paper wrapper to the side and giving you that look right there. And now let's tear it open just to see what it's like on the inside and how it tears open, and so gently and easily, and you can see just how fluffy it is on the inside of it with the scattering of fruit pieces as well. So raisins, sultanas, and pieces of what appears to be orange peel. And I'm just going to set the larger piece down. And taking a look at this smaller piece, let's peel a piece apart and taste it. So really nice and moist tasting with that vanilla sweetness to it. Now let's peel off another piece, this time a smaller piece, comprising mostly of the top baked portion. Let's try this. Little pieces of what appears to be orange peel in it. Let's taste it. And lastly, let's taste a much larger piece this time around. This big fluffy piece, as you can see. So a moist, fluffy texture and subtle, smooth taste with that zesty aroma. So that's the Vergani Il Panettone di Milano. Thanks for watching and happy eating!